Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today in this video I'm going to share you how to share Discord profiling. So if you want to share profile link of any person or you to the others, so this video is for you. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to go to Discord app. After going here, let me first create a server, because after creating a server I am enabled to share the profile. So here, join an exciting server. So what you have to do, if you have any invite or if a person invite you, so you can directly join a server. But if you don't have any server, you just have to create your own server. So here in this video, first of all, I'm going to create my own server. After create your own server, so I'm creating my own server. After creating that, you can easily send a profile link of you or another person to the other person if you want it. So what you have to do, you have to write the link of your, you have to like the name of your server. After creating the server, here you can see this is an option, add some people. You should a few friends to get most on your server. So now what you have to do, after creating a server, there is a link copied. So this is the link how you generate add other person profile. So this is basically link how you can create server and link share to the other. So after that your server is created, what you have to do, you have to go to your mobile phone set, go to your Discord setting. After going to the setting, there's an option, you have to scroll down and there's an option of advanced. You have to click on advanced. After clicking on advanced, you have to make sure that you have enabled developer mode, because if you don't enable developer mode, you cannot copy the link. So what you have to do, you have to enable developer mode. After enabling developer mode, go to the server again, and here you can see there's an option of invite your friends. After inviting, there's an option copy link. So you have to copy link and your and server will be go to the person that you want to share. So this is the video how you can send profiling. So hope so friend you like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and stay tuned.